Jordi Alba, Barcelona got players flooding in. Right. There are some gaps appearing now. Fabinho took Messi out, looked for it, aware that he's not going to get the return pass. So good value at this stage for 2-0. They've taken their chance, and Liverpool not been able to get the better of Ter Stegen. They made a number of good saves in the second period. Messi, oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Just when you think he's done everything, he comes up with something even more special to catch Alisson out and to make it 3-0.
Well, to beat Alisson from there, I've got to say, I mean, he smiles. It takes some doing, and perhaps only that fella could do it. I mean, if you wanted to go and place it in the corner, I don't think you could do a much better job than he did. How far out was he? 25, 27 yards. It's majestic from the best player in the world, from perhaps the best player we've ever seen. Wow, look at that.
Well, the fans are worshipping him, and you can understand why. He is a god of the game. The god of the game. And suddenly, thanks to Messi, 1-0 has become 3-0 for Barcelona.
You could see it in Klopp's expression. Sometimes you have to hold up your hands and say, we cannot compete with this player. There's nothing we can do.
Well, he was beaten to 600, wasn't he, by Cristiano Ronaldo recently. He's there now.
This goes onside here. Into Ronaldo! Every time they need a goal, Cristiano Ronaldo finds it. It's another one in the Champions League, 118, and the master marksman strikes again in Europe. Juventus 0, Real Madrid 1. Who else?
Normal service resumed for Real Madrid, and that man in picture. Look at his movements. The most dangerous man on the planet, nobody picks him up. Real sloppy play over there, this is too easy.
Vasquez beaten away by Buffon. And then Ronaldo! What a goal by Cristiano Ronaldo! Sensational! The greatest marksman in the history of the Champions League with an absolute beauty!
My word, if you pipe up to us, all the Juventus fans around us are on their feet applauding. What an incredible sight. You can see around the ground, not just the Real Madrid fans.
Vasquez beaten away by Buffon. And then Ronaldo! What a goal by Cristiano Ronaldo! Sensational! The greatest marksman in the history of the Champions League with an absolute beauty!
My word, if you pipe up to us, all the Juventus fans around us are on their feet applauding. What an incredible sight. You can see around the ground, not just the Real Madrid fans